Hey, this is Mike. Now, if you want to control the level of comments on your YouTube video or turn them off altogether, I'm going to show you how to do that on your smartphone. So here I am on my iPhone. I'm going to click the three dots next to my video. That brings up this particular menu, and I'm going to then press Edit. Now that Edit button will then take me down to this menu, and right at the bottom there you'll see Comments, which is currently set to On. Now, I've got various options here. I'm going to click on Moderation, and that allows me to change it from Basic, as it's currently set, to None, to Strict, or Hold All for review. So there are my options. I can play with those as I want to. I'm going to leave mine at the moment as on Basic, and it's asking me if I want to set that as the default for all new videos, not old ones, just the new ones. If you want to do old ones, you have to go back and do that manually. Anyway, so now we can adjust our comments page, and then we're back and we're done. It's all set, and I hope you found this video useful. If you do, please give me a like, and please, if you really like it, it'd be great if you really subscribe to my channel as well. Thanks very much.